In this sort, we're looking at short U and long U patterns. The short U pattern is going to be the consonant vowel consonant, like in thumb. You find the vowel U, there's a consonant on either side. The word is thumb with an short U. The long vowel patterns are going to create two open syllables, like in new and blue. That's where you end with that long oo or U sound. The new is spelled CVV. We use VV to indicate that it's an open syllable, and because it says ew, like it's just a long U. This is kind of like OW in the word show. Show, OW creates a long vowel sound, just like EW is going to create that long U sound. Blue, UE, CVV. This one actually does have two vowels to create the long U sound, and it also has an open syllable because it ends with a long vowel sound. There's something else interesting about a lot of the words in these sort, and we'll get to them in a minute. Let's look at our short vowel, short U sound, the CVC. You have thumb, plump, brush, stuck, junk, and trunk. All the way through these. Let's get to the CVV words. You have new and new. Oh, well, these EW words, new, NEW, means like something that's brand new, sparkling, just out of the package, fresh. Whereas this new is something that I know about. It's in my head. It's the past tense of the verb know, which fits the OW long vowel pattern from the other sorts. Grew, chew, few, flew. Flew has a homophone over here, flew, under the UE column. Now these homophones, new and flew, what that means is that there's two, they sound exactly the same, but it's two different words. Since they have a different meaning, they need a different spelling. So this flew means like how a bird or an airplane would fly in the sky, is flew, but the past tense. This flue is like a chimney. It's another word for a chimney. New, stew, blue. Like blowing something is blue versus blue, the color blue. Dew, this is dew like the morning dewdrops on grass in the morning, whereas this is due, the assignment is due on Friday. A due date, something that's due. And this is due like, hey, go do your homework. So we have three dues in this sort. Crew. Here to the UEs, we have blue and flew, talked about those, talked about due, glue, and true. Now let's move to our oddballs. These are a little bit complicated. You have truth. Well, that's CVC, but truth, ooh, it doesn't have a short U sound, so it's oddball. You have do, that makes that long U sound, but it doesn't meet either one of the spelling patterns. It sounds just like do and do, so it meets the sound pattern, but is spelled just D-O. And then, listen carefully, sew. You say this word sew, and this is like sewing something together with a needle and thread. Sew.